While professional and academic achievements are often the focus of a presentation, none of this would have been possible without the person standing by my side. These photos of Rupal and me represent the heart of our family story. Rupal, you are the innovation in my life and collaboration that made our family that it is today. Here is to many more New Years together. Thank you, ISVR, for the honor. Thank you, my colleagues, and most importantly, thank you to the patients of Central India whose faith and trust fueled this incredible journey. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you for sharing this incredible journey, and we'd like to honor you with a medal as a memory of this wonderful moment right here at ISVIR 2026. Thank you so very much. Ma'am, if you want, you would also join us on the stage. Ma'am, if you're here, 2026, join us in this celebration, ma'am. Can we come to the center of the stage? Many congratulations. Thank you so very much. Dr. Srikanth, you've been incredible. Thank you for all that you did. And thank you for creating. Rupal ma'am, please join us on the stage. We'd love to hear. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we succeed is family. It's simply that. Give it up for the wonderful Rupal ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, nice big round of applause. Yes.
Good evening, everybody. May this new year find you hale and hearty. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. I anticipated that someone will tell me, that's why I have written this. Would like to talk about my husband, Dr. Srikanth, and how the city like Nagpur and he grew together as far as IR is concerned. I have witnessed Srikanth's journey from the time interventional radiology was still in its nascent stage. IR embraced him wholeheartedly, and Srikanth, with equal courage and conviction, chose to walk alongside it. In the early 80s, many interventional radiologists were working within institutes or as a part of teams across India. What was truly heartening was to see him grow richer in experience and wisdom with each passing day and year, often working alone, facing challenges head-on, as if guided constantly by some divine force. Even during his recent illness, his zeal and zest kept him going, always holding his chin up. In the early days of his illness, I was deeply touched by the way he handled a particularly complex case, keeping his own anxiety at bay and ensuring that the patient's children who had traveled from abroad were not disappointed. Life can be harsh at times and can leave you confused. But if you are determined to maintain a positive frame of mind, you work on it, you make the journey easier, not just for yourself, but for everyone around you. Thank you very much.
I think in the presentation that Doctor made, thank you, Rupal ma'am, that was incredible. Thank you for sharing the warmth and love on the stage. Many times we don't realize, we, the civilians, don't understand the struggles, the dark moments that all of you go through. And that chapter, she very beautifully brought out. Give her a nice big round of applause. Thank you so much, Rupal ma'am.